In this video, we'll take a look at how KUSOED's online and distance students engage in MOODLE. And this is something that a lot of people have a questions with. So let's go ahead and take a few moments to look at this. In here, you see on this screen, uh, you may have a Google's Chrome or you may have Safari. Now I have Safari and I'm opening this Safari. Now let's go from the beginning. In address bar of our Google or Safari or Opera, we can type here kusoede.edu.np and just press enter. Then you will find a dialog box or a new web screen. This is the Kathmandu University School of Education e-learning portal site, or simply we say this is a MOODLE site. Now here is an options for login. So first click on login to get enrolled in this any course of Kathmandu University. Now here on the left side of this screen, here is the login information. I am authorized user of this MOODLE site of Kathmandu University. That's why I have already a username and a password. If you don't have, then you can create your username and password from here. Then just press login. After a couple of seconds, we will find a new page. Now just we can type here a course name. If you are a master students or MPhil students, then if you are beginners, then you have to select your course. Just you can click from the list of all course, then you will have many course options like an MPhil and PhD course, master's course. We have a sustainable development course in masters as well as in MPhil, and we have English language education course. We have a leadership and development course. We have a master in mathematics education course. So many courses. We have mock courses also here. We can find here. Just click any one course. If you know your subjects, then just go to the source course engine and type course names. For an example, I want to engage in STATI as ICS statistics for teachers. Okay, this is a course for masters in mathematics educations, which is developed by Durga Prasad Takal. For an example, I'm getting enrolled this course, so just click on the name of this course. Now I have already access of username and password. That's why easily I get in of this course. Now if I'm a student, then I will have options here. Students, learners. Okay, now I became a learner of this course. Every student will see this type of page of this course. Now here is my name. Those who is user of this course, his or her name will appear here, and this is the uh, option button, and here are some course content. We have a module 1, module 2, module 1, module 2 and module 3. Total we have three module courses. These are the module. Here is the options for students for new forum discussions. When I click here, new forum discussions, then we can post our any argument regarding any issue. For an example, here the course facilitator post, dear students, please go through this module and come with some idea for next class discussion as our course calendar. This is just a uh, simple issue or simple notice the course facilitator posted here. Now, how we engage, how students engage in this course. This is a discussion room. This is a you can come into this chat section for discussion. Students can chat like a Facebook, Viber, WhatsApp. If they click here to enter the chat, then they can post any issue. They can post any topic, any agenda, any argument regarding an topic into this section. Uh, Here is the student uploading area. If students prepare their any slides, any extra assignment, or if they found any books, ebooks or paper, they can upload here in this section. Okay, now let us discuss on how students um, do their curricular activities, how students can engage in their curricular activities. These are the informations for this course. Now let's go into the model 1. This is the topic of this unit or module, basic terminologies of statistics used in educational research. Altogether 3 weeks will take to complete this module. Now here we have a curricular practicing module. What things, what units, what content we are discussing under this module. These are here. Here population, here the population in sample, these things, measurement scale, data type, variable, parameter, descriptives and inferential statistics, confidence interval, difference level on confidence. These all things we will discuss in this first module. This is the curricular practice in first module. And the second, module learning outcomes. What students will have at the end of this course. This is the module learning outcomes. So, in this first module, students develop a conceptual understanding of statistics and its role in modern interdisciplinary research. Each type of each different individual's course, they have a module learning outcome like this. And each course in master or MPhil, in each course they have options for lectures notes and PPT. Here facilitator or teachers in face-to-face or online or distance mode, they upload their um, lectures notes and PPT under these sections. And also facilitator uploads lots of reading materials under the reading materials sections here. For an example, I uploaded here key reading materials for module 1, population in sample. Watch this video about data type. Uh, Lots of things. For an example, if I click here key reading materials for module 1, then I will find a PDF file. It's a PDF file which I uploaded from somewhere, but it should be authentic and is from any paper or journals. That's the important things. Have to know facilitator what things need to upload here. So student can download that file and they can print. In reading material, when students click this video, then they will go to the YouTube sections, or they have option for download it. So students can engage lots of time here. Here are the how students can write academic writing under the APA. This is the new version, APA 6. This is also uploaded here. In classroom activities section, students engage themselves for group discussion in collaborative way, and they will have a conclusion after a couple of minutes, and they share their ideas in front of our other friends, and other friends make argument of their ideas. And this way, uh, students engage in face-to-face mode. And this everything's which sometimes the facilitator will shoot a videos and upload in a YouTube, or students can see these all types of video in the Moodle site as well as classroom activities. Uh, Course facilitator uploads videos. For an example, when I click uh, these videos, then they will have a certain file.
Hi dear student, this is our second class for how we have our data file. This is the SPSS menu bar, SPSS statistics file, edit, view, data. You can see at the top of this bar line, and we have to find analyze. Analyze is
Yeah, this is just an example, and they engage here, they learn here many things, and they have all other options to know about it. Uh, what is this? What is that about? They are looking for. So um, they engage in this way uh, in us for a certain time, or they don't have any time limit actually. And after engaging in this way, they will submit their assignment under the assignment sections. Before this, here we have another engagement options. They play the quiz, okay, under the quiz sections. Okay, which of the following is an example of random sampling method? Let's say cluster sample. Click next. Second, the best sample is one that is, now let's say purposefully selected. Next. When every members of a accessible population has an equal chance, blah 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 blah, just click on simple random sampling. They have multiple options to select the answer. And for this question, stratified random sampling, click next. And for this award, click next. Now submit all and finished. Submit all and finished. Wow, I got 40% correct answers. I got 2.4 point out of 6 point, and these are the detailed informations, and I just took 52 seconds to give the answer of these questions. Oh, I did wrong. And the second questions, the best sample is one that is. So this page will show which things we did correct or which things we did wrong. And here is also the quiz navigation. This also indicates the same things here. Okay, now let's come back to our course. Now in assignment section, how students upload their assignment. Okay, now let's click here, assignment upload your variable data into assignment to lab work. This is the assignment for me. I am students. From the provided data, I calculated respondent characteristics, frequency in percentage, and represent the result and analysis in API. This is the assignment. What they have to do is typed here. Now, I have already done that assignment, which is in a PDF file or is Word file, no problem. Then simply I have that assignment here. Okay, this is EDMT. Just click this file and drag here. Finished. File submission options. I just click and drag here. Finish. This is my assignment. When I click here, save changes, then my assignment will receive by my course facilitator. Here we can upload maximum 10 MB file. Now at this moment I don't have to submit this assignment. That's why I click on cancel. And this way students upload their assignments or upload their any file or return to my normal course. Yes, I am a course facilitator. I can enroll any students. For an example, I can enroll any students from here, enroll users. Okay, I can upload any file. How I can view students assignment? Now here assignment first journal 1. This is first assignment. Okay, now participants are 25. We have 25 students here in second semester at this moment. So if I click here, view grades, all submissions, and then I will see here the name of the students. For the ethical considerations, I think the grade points and the name of the students are not shares. That's why I am really sorry about that. Now I can grade here. I can edit students assignment. On this way, students and facilitators can engage more times in their course model. So this is the way how KUSOED online and distant students engage here. One more last things. When students have any problems, they can raise their issue in these forum sections or discourse room and they put their argument. And other students also put their argument in discussion forum. And we have lecture notes in wiki site as well. Uh, for instance, um, here a wiki site. If students go into the wiki sites, then they have notes on any topics. Okay, and they can comment it, they can edit it, they can put down any kinds of informations, but they have to be authentic. And facilitator know that who put down this information in these sections. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will provide some sort of informations about how online and distance students or face-to-face students can easily practice their curricula in their subjects um, in easy way. Thank you very much.